Hello everyone. So I have finally picked up one of these Ace brass padlocks that I've seen lots of people trying to pick and discussing the difficulty of. So now that I've stopped by an Ace Hardware and picked one up, we're gonna try to pick it open and see what all the hype is about. And I thought it would be fun to try and pick this with the Riv pick. That may not work best. Let's try a deeper hook here. Just with the 25 thousandths thickness, I think the geometry doesn't seem like it wants to work. Okay, let's see if this works better. So let's see what we got. We'll click on the 5. Two moving, no real click, but seems like it was okay to move it. Click on 1, 5, click on 5, nothing on 4, 3, nothing on 3 yet. There was a little click on 1. Let's go back to 5. Springy, 4, springy, 3. It's hard, it might be set. Oh, click out of 2 there. Got some core rotation. Now 1's feeling hard. Get some counter rotation on 1. There we go. I think I got 1 set. It was a spool. It's just a little hard with a 25 thousandths in this to feel everything well, but it's very doable. Click on 4. Oh, seems like 4 is a spool. Getting some counter rotation. I think we set 4. Oh, got a click out of 3. And we opened it. So definitely a little better than some of the other brass padlocks I picked, but not too bad.